Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been hearing all the buzz about AI coding tools lately, you've probably came across Cursor, Windsurf, and GitHub Copilot, three of the biggest names changing the way developers write code in 2025. But which one truly gives you the best coding experience? Is it Cursor with the fast AI code edits, Windsurf with its collaborative features, or Copilot with its deep GitHub integration? Let's break them all down, their features, performance, pricing, and real use cases, so you'll know which one fits your workflow best. Cursor. Let's start with Cursor. Cursor is built on top of Visual Studio Code, but with AI deeply integrated into its core, the big advantage here is context awareness. Cursor can read your entire code base, understand the relationship between files, and make intelligent edits, not just line-by-line suggestions. It's almost like having a senior developer sitting beside you. Key features: in-depth file and repo understanding for larger projects, AI-powered code refactoring and debugging, chat with your codebase for explanation and documentations, integrated terminal and editor support, offline AI support for sensitive projects. The pros are super intuitive for VS Code users, handles complex projects easily, fast and responsive AI assistance. Cons: still under rapid development, occasional bugs. Requires strong hardware for smooth performance with big projects. Windsurf. Now let's talk about Windsurf. Windsurf takes a more team-oriented approach to AI-assisted coding. It's designed for developers who work in groups and want shared AI insights across the team. Key features: real-time AI collaboration. Teammates can see and edit AI-generated suggestions together. Integrated code documentation generator. Cloud-based AI processing. Less load on your machine. Visual flow mapping for understanding project structure. And a built-in code review assistance for pull requests. Pros: excellent for remote or large teams. Reduces communication gaps in development. Great documentations and visibility tools. Cons: cloud-only setup means you're dependent on internet access. Pricing can be higher for full team integration. GitHub Copilot. Of course there is a GitHub Copilot, the one that started the AI coding wave. Copilot was matured a lot in 2025. It is now deeply embedded into the GitHub ecosystem, offering smarter suggestions and better contextual understanding than ever before. Key features: built directly into GitHub and popular IDEs like Visual Studio Code and JetBrains. AI pair programming, complete lines, functions, and even tests. Copilot Chat lets you ask questions about your code, integrates with GitHub Actions, issues, and PRs. Available for both individuals and enterprises. The pros are reliable and stable, years in refinement, great for developers who already live in GitHub, and excellent language support for Python, JavaScript, C++, and more. The cons: limited file understanding compared to Cursor, does not offer much for team collaboration compared to Windsurf. So as for the comparison, how does each stack to each other? Ease of use, you go with Copilot here. It's a plug-and-play one. Depth of understanding, Cursor leads, especially with big repositories. Team collaboration, Windsurf takes the crown. Speed and performance, Cursor is fast locally, and Windsurf depends on the cloud. Integration, Copilot shines because of GitHub support. Innovation, Cursor and Windsurf are pushing new boundaries faster than Copilot. Essentially, if you're a solo developer, Cursor and Copilot are great. If you are on a team, Windsurf gives you that shared AI workspace advantage. Final verdict: in 2025, all these three tools are fantastic. It just depends on what kind of a developer you are. Choose Cursor if you want deep AI integration and code-level intelligence. Go with Windsurf if you work with teams and value real-time collaboration. Stick with Copilot if you want stability and the simplest experience inside GitHub. AI coding isn't just about replacing developers, it's about helping you build faster and think smarter. So, what do you think? Which AI coding tool fits your workflow best? Cursor, Windsurf, or Copilot? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this comparison, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech breakdowns like this one. See you in the next video!